If you are looking for a reliable business with recurring revenue and long-term client relationships, Maid Brigade is built for scalable growth. Maid Brigade is a residential cleaning franchise with over 35 years of experience and a proven system designed to help owners build a loyal customer base that grows week after week and month after month. This is a service-based business with strong repeat demand, where franchise owners generate recurring revenue by building long-term relationships with homeowners and families. In fact, 33% of franchisees generate more than $1.2 million annually in revenue. Maid Brigade also stands out with its proprietary PureClean system, using safe and effective cleaning solutions that position the brand as one of the most advanced and trusted options in the industry. Franchisees receive hands-on training from successful seven-figure owners, plus in-market support to help launch, hire teams, and grow quickly within their territory. This home-based model is designed for leaders who want to scale a team, grow recurring revenue, and build a long-term service business in a growing residential cleaning industry. The initial total investment starts at $120,616. Inside the full info pack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add Maid Brigade to your top picks and request the info pack now.